Hello, my all beautiful ladies. How are you? I hope that you all are good. And today I'm back again with another video. I'm Tanurima, and you are watching my YouTube channel. If you are new here to my channel, then please subscribe. Then because whenever I upload my video, then you will get a notification and you can watch my video. So I'm back again with another interesting video. And my channel is all about three topics: beauty, fashion and lifestyle. So today's video is all about beauty uh, thing beauty topic, that is makeup, because all women love to do makeup. I am also love to do makeup, and I am a makeup lover. So this video is all for all makeup lovers who really want to do makeup in a proper way. So I today's video is nothing else that is really important, that is highlighter. That means how to highlight, highlight your face, how to give your face a good shape. So that's important to look good, to look gorgeous. So let's get started. Thereafter, use this all shimmer product. Take your shimmer product and just dust off this excess powder and apply on your face. Wherever you want to meet this highlight and shimmery effect, you can apply just on your high points of your face. You need to apply this shimmer powder to look so natural and so nice. You can see how much highlighted my face is and now, and it's really easy. And if you want to, actually I must say that this you can use your concealer as a highlighter. This is a best process to highlight yourself. You can also use your lighter shade foundation to highlight yourself, and after using this concealer or any foundation or any cream like cream product, you must set your highlighter, because if you don't set it with a powder, then it's don't look so good and it's not be so long lasting. After all this, if you going anywhere, any parties or any occasion, then you must apply some like shimmery highlighter. It gives you a really flawless and gorgeous look, and really very good look to your face. So that's easy, very easy, friends. You can, as you can see, that's really very easy. So what I'm talking about, highlighter. That is what is highlighter. Many women don't know about proper. They don't have any proper knowledge about highlighter. Highlighter is nothing else. Highlighter is a thing. Is also a makeup product, and that can be used to shape your face, to highlight your highlight your important area, important parts on your face. That can be after highlighting your face, it will be looking so, it looks so gorgeous and really very beautiful. So you can have, there are many kinds of highlighters. That means there are powder highlighter, there are cream highlighter, there are shimmer highlighter. So many there are forms of highlighter available in market. So that is, you can also use your foundation as a highlighter. This is my love product. I really love this product, and I will recommend you to buy this product, because it's really very interesting and very affordable and very I mean, it's I really love about all these products. So I am using this to highlight my face. My contouring and my base makeup is done, and my makeup also done. So how to highlight? You don't need many things. That is, you need your concealer. So first of all, before doing this, you need to done your base makeup. So I'm using this product to highlight. As I say, you need to draw a triangle under your eye area. As you can see, After, you need to draw a triangle in this ear, in this area, and bridge of your nose, and small quantity on your foreheads. So after this, to contour your face properly, you need to apply highlighter in this area also. So as you can see, I am highlighting my face like this. That's all the highlighting area. Sorry, I missed one. That is, you need to apply highlighter on your cupid bow. So that's all the area to apply your highlighter. This is a cream or a, like this product. So you can, if you are using any liquid or any cream product, then you have to draw like this. I am using my beauty blender to blend this well. Before using beauty blender, you need to wet your, you need to just like spray some water on your beauty blender, because wet beauty blender is really works good. So as you can see, don't use too much product because it don't look so good on face, because just in front of camera it looks so good, but in reality it looks so cakey, and after some time it's look like you done some heavy makeup. I don't look I don't like heavy makeup. I always use the minimum amount of makeup. I'm showing you how to just do your makeup, like to highlight your face in a proper way. So that's area which you must highlight and blend well. So as you can see, this blends really well. Just after highlighting your face, you need to use you need to set your highlighter, like cream or any kind of liquid highlighter. You need to set your highlighter with this powder, any kind of compact or any kind of setting powder. You need to set it in, because if you don't set it in, then it looks so hilarious and it's not be so long lasting. So you can see that it's really very easy. As you can see, it gives my face a really very good effect, and it looks so it gives my face a really good shape. I think that is all a simple use of highlighter to highlight your face. That's all about basic highlighter. If you want to know anything about highlighter, so you can comment me below, and you can also send me mails. So that's all about today's video, friends, and I hope that you like my videos. If you like my videos, then please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and share with your friends who really need this like tricks and makeup tips, and who really love to do makeup. Please share with them and keep watching my videos, and until I upload my next video, tata, bye bye, and take care and lots of love. Bye bye.